if you look at it in a grid, in the descriptive stage, the questions that you are asked as a analytics person is, what happened? What is happening this month? Can you tell me? How do you tell? You often tell it by creating dashboards, scorecards, some business reports, okay, and a data warehouse where you can check data for the last so many months or weeks. Okay. And the outcomes are that this is what is happening. So last month we did sales of 2000 units. This month we have done sales of 2050 units. Okay. So these become the problems and opportunities for the next stage. Because at the next stage, the business often asks, why is this happening? Why has my growth happened from 2000 units to 2050 units? Okay. Business, so last 2 months, we grew 100 units per month. This month, why are we growing only 50 units? So what do you do again?
Yeah.
You often look at the same reports and dashboards, but you can add information about your competitors or the change in the process that has happened because of which you believe that the outcome this month has been less, right? And what you do is you want to create some sort of way so that you can drill down to the root cause, right? As I said, either through a benchmark or through by looking at different processes which have changed that month. You want to tell, why has this happened? Why have I only grown 50 units while before that I had grown 100 units for the last 2 months? After this stage, business asks you predictive, which is what will happen. What do you think will happen in the future? So in this stage, you start doing data mining and forecasting, text mining and web media mining. All this starts becoming important because what are you looking at? You're not only looking at what is happening to you, you're also looking at what's happening externally so that you can predict, right? So,
Okay.
and you can
Yeah.
do an accurate projection of the conditions and the states of whatever is happening. So then what we think about is the prescriptive. What should we do? How can we do things? So at this point, you start looking at simulations, that, in different circumstances, what can be achieved. Okay. You look at
Yeah.
optimization, decision modeling, and expert recommendation system, because like now you go onto Amazon, it will recommend to you, right? Other people were seeing these types of things. Do you want to also see? So you want to make the best possible business prospect. This is often the, should I say, the growth path of the toughness of the projects which come to you.